What is penis enlargement? Penis enlargement refers to a variety of techniques which are designed, or at least supposed, to increase the size of the penis by increasing its girth, length and even its hardness. Penis enlargement is often referred to as male enhancement, since penis enlargement techniques are not limited to enlarging the penis but also enhancing the performance of the penis through an increase in hardness, virility or the ability to hold an erection for a lengthened amount of time. Men may decide to look for penis enlargement products for a variety of different reasons which may vary from case to case. Some men feel pressured by popular culture to increase the size of their penis due to the perceived correlation between the size of a penis and its worth in the eyes of both men and women, that it is the size that counts. Some men may feel inadequate during sexual intercourse or other sexual activity if they are dissatisfied with the size of their penis and may seek enlargement products as a way to boost their own self-esteem and thus their sexual performance. Penis enlargement methods. There has been little scientific research into the concept of male enhancement or penis enlargement, although there are a range of products on the market which claim to increase penis size or enhance the penis in various ways. These products tend to fall into one of several categories: surgeries, cosmetic applications, pills and other supplements, penis pumps and extenders, and clamping. There are some surgical treatments which claim to enhance the size of the penis. However, almost all men will reject a proposal of surgery when they are informed of the potential risks of penis enlargement surgery, which include erectile dysfunction, impairment of erections, and so on. Cosmetic treatments do not treat the penis itself, but rather use cosmetic techniques to make the penis appear bigger. Losing weight, trimming hair in the pubic area and gaining muscle may all help a man make his penis appear larger without surgery or pills. One of the most common types of penis enlargement comes in the forms of pills and supplements. These supplements include pills, patches, ointments and lotions which are either ingested or directly rubbed on the penis. Many of these products work by increasing the blood flow to the penis, which, in turn, increases the size of the penis when erect. It is important for people who use these supplements to research the ingredients which they are made of. Some may be potentially harmful or contain negative side effects. Penis pumps and penis extenders, such as the Sizegenetics penis extender, are cylindrical tools which are fitted over the penis. These tools are then pumped, which creates a partial vacuum around the penis itself and thus engorges it as blood is drawn to the area, or extended, which stretches the penis tissues, causing them to become larger. Penis pumps and penis extenders cause temporary increase in penis size. Clamping is a technique which is sometimes used but considered dangerous. Clamping involves restricting blood flow out of the penis by using strings, rings or clamps in order to engorge the penis through the increase in blood flow. Perhaps the most popular augmentation product other than supplements is the Sizegenetics extender. This is because it has been clinically proven to produce permanent results when used over a long period of time. The gains in size do not appear very quickly, but users who are consistent can expect to see a noticeable difference in erect size after approximately 6 months. The device must be worn each day for a number of hours, but this is achievable as it can be worn under clothing during the day or a night.